Hey everybody, this is Brett from Lost Highway. We're here today to show you a new product that we developed and give you a quick little install video. If you're not quite yet in the market for a nice winch bumper and a quality winch, what we've developed is some frame mounted recovery points to help get you unstuck out of a sticky situation, whether it be sand or mud. If you're out four-wheeling in your sprinter van, this would obviously need a buddy's vehicle to help tug you out, but this is a good alternative to needing a high dollar winch and winch bumper, which can cost you up around 7,000 bucks. These are soft shackle recommended. Here we got Deadman soft shackles in this one to kind of show you how they work. And what we're going to do is walk you through the parts list here. You've got to lower the front main body of the unit. Here is the actual big pad eye, and this bolts up into the frame at stock bolt locations. A top frame clamping piece that'll go over the top. These are held together by 10 millimeter by 180 long bolts, 10.9 hardware here. The whole kit comes with all this hardware, 6 bolts, and it also comes with 8 millimeter by 45, 10.9 bolts that replace the factory bumper bolts holding the whole thing on. We're gonna move to the front of the van now and show you the quick install on this and get you going. Okay, so one thing you have to do is you have to pull your grill and pull your plastic bumper shirt out if you're going to install these recovery points. Not a big deal. You will need to take the plastic off anyways to notch around these, and we're going to provide you a template to notch the rear of the plastic to clear the lower mount. What you do is you locate these 4 bumper bolts. You're going to want to take the top 2 off first. 13 millimeter. Only the top 2, don't remove the bottom 2, the bumper will sag, so leave those 2 in place. Take one of your 10 millimeter bolts, thread it in the front hole. The front you'll know by, there's 2 on the side, on the driver's side. Passenger side, these 2 will be on the opposite side. You're gonna thread that in first because you have a clearance issue here with this plastic. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna fish it around, drop it in place. And then you're going to take 2 factory bolts, or the 2 8 millimeter by 45s, and you're going to hand tighten them into here in the factory holes and leave everything loose just to get started. Okay, so that's going to be where you start first. What you do second, once you got these in place to hold the top bracket in place, hold the bumper in place, go ahead and remove the 2 lower bolts, 13 millimeter, get an 18 millimeter socket. And there's a large bolt underneath, right in line with these 2 bolts, back underneath here on the cross member. You're going to remove that factory bolt. That's going to be the only factory bolt that you reuse. It's tight. Okay, you're going to remove that and you're going to save it because you're going to reuse it. So here we're going to move on to the full install video real quick and then get you going.
Okay, so we got those installed. It takes about 10-15 minutes maybe at the max to get these bolted up. Again, no drilling, no cutting, no grinding on your frame. Nice bolt-on install. Again, we recommend using soft shackles of your choice on these. Here we got the Deadman ruggedized shackles on there. Good option instead of a bumper and a winch if you're not in the market yet for those. You can find these on our website at losthighwaycustoms.com.